Hello?
Hey, Carrie, it's...
Today's the day, Fred. I get my new phone. We're fifth in line. Okay, panoramic, Zoom, talk, text. I'm so excited.
What was Apollo program's second and last A-type mission?
It's Apollo 9. I think it's a 9.
No, you guys, it's Apollo 6. Okay, good night. And good night to you.
Where can we get brunch around here?
Oh, look, there's a place called Fisherman's Porch. It's right nearby.
No one's gonna believe us.
I know. I'll take a picture with my phone. Hi, little goats.
Oh, sorry. Did I get you? Young lady?
Carrie, where are you? I can't believe you're missing this. I'm having the best time right now. Hey, I guess you're never texting me back. I don't know what happened to our friendship. Bye.